Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see about the filters on FreJun dashboard. All the analytics present here can be filtered on the basis of these filters present here. On the top right corner you can see the custom date range filter. You can filter the information on the basis of custom date and time. For example, from 1st May to 21st May and time 2 AM to 23:59 PM and click on apply. Give it a moment. Now you can see the data for the custom date range. You can also filter data for today, yesterday, this week, last week, this month, last month, this year and last year. On the top left corner you can filter data for teams. Filters data for specific teams. Select the team, apply. Now you can see the data for the particular team. For users, you can view data for individual users. Select the user and click on apply. On the list, you can analyze data for specific contact lists. Select the desired contact list and click on apply. The data gets filtered according to the filters. You can also remove these filters using clear all. That's all on analytics filter. Thank you.